Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can export just a part of a video in CapCut PC. So you're going to want to split the part that you just want to export, select it, right click, and you're just going to go to export selected clips here. And then it's just going to export that clip. I don't know why. Okay, it is in MP4. And you're just going to adjust these and save it to whichever folder you want the file to be. Then press the export button and it's only going to export that part of the clip. You can also select right click and select the range, select by clip and then export, but the other version is a little bit easier. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!